guys, what's up and welcome back to tonight's special. I know it's been so long since I've posted a recipe, but I'm back, trust me. And the only reason why I was not posting any recipes is I am pregnant. So I am about almost end to my second trimester and starting to my third, which I'm very excited about. And as you guys also know, for some people it may be, but for me it was my first trimester was terrible. The nausea, food was not my best friend. That's why I was not able to shoot any recipes, not being around food too much. But now that I'm back, I thought why not start posting again. And today I'm going to be sharing a recipe of yard-long beans with potatoes that is cooked. It's an Indian vegetable. I think, yeah, it's an Indian vegetable. In India, it's called, from where I grew up, it's called dangudi. And I think in the north it's called Barbati and Lobia ki phali, if I'm right. If I'm wrong, just correct me, let me know in the comment section below. And over here it's sold by Yard Long Beans. You can get it at any Indian store or Asian stores. It's a very delicious vegetable if made in the right way, and I'm excited to share it with you guys. So let's get started. Alright, recipe is all done. It looks so good and it's also super easy, so do try it. And the only reason I did not add cumin is because since the pregnancy, I don't feel like eating any cumin. I don't like the flavor of it. That's the only reason. But please go ahead and add cumin to it. It's gonna just elevate the flavor of the dish. And I hope you like it. Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, bye bye.